Hey there, everybody. I'm Michael McGlaughn, Vice President of Trilogy Wealth Management, and I'm here today with a look at the markets. So, last week, the markets had their strongest week since last November. Three key factors spurred the rally. First was December's inflation numbers, which came in not fantastic, but they weren't terrible either. The Consumer Price Index hit 2.9% year over year, with the usual suspects like energy and food and car insurance driving that increase. But here's the good news. Core inflation and shelter prices did show some cooling off. Second, we got some positive news from the banking sector with major banks reporting strong earnings, and this helped boost confidence in the markets and contributed to the broader overall rally. The third thing we look at is geopolitical tensions easing with the announcement of a ceasefire between Hamas and Israel, with the remaining hostages being released. This news particularly energized the small cap sector, with the Russell 2000 jumping about 4% last week. Looking at bonds, the 10-year Treasury yield has finally started to retreat from its 14-month high, and Fed Governor Christopher Waller even suggested that rate cuts may come quicker than expected. And that's quite a shift from recent expectations. But something to keep in mind is, while a lot of people are hoping for this Goldilocks scenario where the Fed can lower rates, where they can keep inflation in check, but also keep the economy humming and running smoothly, we shouldn't get too caught up in wishful thinking. The market remains tight, valuations are stretched, and inflation isn't under control yet. So, bottom line, while last week's rally is encouraging and it's a strong start to 2025, it's important to stay balanced in our outlook and keep watching these key indicators as they develop. That's all we've got for this week. We'll be back again next week and take a look at how markets performed on this inauguration week. So, in the meantime, if you want to take a look at your financial plan or your overall investment portfolio, please feel free to reach out to us here at Trilogy.